In this video, we will learn how to insert yen symbol in Word. The first method is to put the symbol via symbols method. So which you need to click on the insert on the top menu bar, and on the right side you will see a symbol. Click on that, and after that click on more symbols. And in the font section you need to click on normal text. Select the normal text, and in the subset menu you need to select basic Latins, and after that you will see multiple symbols are available. Here you need to select the yen symbol and keep searching on, and you will find here the yen symbol. Click on that, and after click on insert, and then click close, and here you can see yen symbol is inserted. Make it bigger as per your choice, change the color if you want, and after that the shortcut key of yen symbol is you need to press alt, and on the numeric side keypad press 0165 and release the alt key, and here you will see the yen symbol is inserted. So I hope you have learned that how to insert yen symbol in MS Word. If you think this video is supportive and helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.